Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Fardaus Sahel. I'm a professional graphic designer plus computer education expert. In this video with Illustrator, we're going to learn how to align an object here in our artboard. I'm going to create my object with this rectangle shape and get my selection tool. When you select your object up here with the control toolbar, you can see all the align tools. And if you can't find that, first make sure you choose the correct workspaces from here from the list, or maybe if there's your own workspace, then you can just click on your workspace and you can find the align tools. And also you can click on the window menu, and here we have the align. The shortcut for align panel is Shift plus F7. Click here. It's going to open the align panel. With the align tools, we have the align to selection, we have align to key object, and we have align to artboard, which we're going to learn how to use this align to selection first. When you select this align to selection, based on your selection, you can align. But before we are going to learn this, which is the first option, align to selection, let's take a look at this align to artboard. Now if we want to align this object, I'm going to move it right here. You can use this align objects from this panel, or maybe from this control toolbar. If I want to horizontal align left, I'm going to click, so it's going to horizontal align left. Horizontal align center is next. Horizontal align right, vertical align top, vertical align center, and vertical align bottom. If I want to change this align to selection, based on the selection, it's going to align. But here we need one more object. Control C to make a copy, Control V to paste it. Now I'm going to put here, and let's change the color, something like this one. Now we are going to drag our selection on these two objects, and if I click here, so you can see we have align to selection. I want to align it horizontal left, horizontal align center, and we can horizontal align right, we can vertical align top based on the selection, we can vertical align center, and we have vertical align bottom. What if we want to go with align the key object? If I click, so automatically this one is going to select. Now I'm going to change the color to this. Control A here to select everything, align to key object. Now if we want to align based on this one, which this yellow shape, yellow object, which is highlighted with the blue bold line, you can see based on that it's going to align. So I'm going to click on horizontal first, align left. Again, we need to click on align to key object, and we are going to click on this one, vertical align top. And if I want to click here, so automatically it's going to change the key object. When you select everything, just click here. Based on this, it's going to align. This yellow now is going to align based on this shape, which is highlighted with this blue line color. Let's horizontal align left. Again, I'm going to click here. Let's try this vertical align. Again, I'm going to click this shape vertical align bottom. So based on the shape which we are going to click is going to align. If I click here on this panel, so you can see we have the same align to artboard, we have the align to selection, and we have align to key object. What if we want to send this to back, and we are going to select everything, and here I'm going to change that to which is aligned to selection is selected. If I click on align to key object, automatically this is going to be selected. But if I change that align to selection, so based on this one is going to align based on selection. You can see that. What if we add another one? Let's Control C, Control V, and I'm going to change the color, Control A, and here you can see this align to selection is selected. Let's align it horizontally and vertically align it. And if I click here, so based on this is going to align. Maybe I want to align vertical align center. So based on this red object, it's going to align. And I just click here and we're going to vertical align bottom. So this is how we use all the align tools here with Illustrator, and now we learned how to use align to selection, align to key object, and align to artboard. If I select align to artboard, everything is going to be aligned according to our artboard. So this is how we use the align tools in Illustrator. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned, and if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.